In 2021, leaked IRS records showed that some of the richest people in the world legally paid little to no federal income taxes. This shocked a lot of people, but for those who understand how wealth and taxes really work, it wasn't a surprise at all. The first thing you need to understand is the difference between income and wealth. The tax system mainly focuses on taxing income, your salary, wages, tips, but not your overall wealth. If a billionaire owns $100 billion in stock, they don't get taxed on that unless they sell it. So, by simply not selling, they avoid paying taxes on massive amounts of money. But that doesn't mean they don't have cash to spend. Instead of selling their stock and triggering taxes, they borrow against it. Imagine having billions in assets and taking out a loan at super low interest rates. That borrowed money isn't considered income, so it's not taxed. They get the cash they need without selling anything, and without paying income taxes. Another huge advantage the wealthy use is depreciation. If you own real estate, the government allows you to deduct a portion of the property's value every year as a loss, even if the property is actually increasing in value. This paper loss reduces taxable income, often wiping it out completely. It's one of the reasons real estate is such a popular investment among the rich. Then there are trusts and tax-deferred accounts. These are legal structures that can delay taxes for decades, sometimes even across generations. Think of it like pressing pause on taxes. The longer they can defer paying, the more they can invest and grow their wealth. One of the biggest tax loopholes is something called the step-up in basis. When someone dies, their heirs inherit assets at their current market value, not the original purchase price. This means all the gains over the years are essentially wiped out for tax purposes. Entire fortunes can be passed on without paying capital gains taxes on decades of appreciation. Now, you might be thinking, why should I care? Here's why. When the ultra-wealthy pay less in taxes, the burden doesn't disappear. It shifts to everyone else, through higher income taxes, payroll taxes, and even through things like inflation, which reduces the value of your money over time. Whether you realize it or not, you're picking up the slack. That being said, some of these strategies can be used by regular people too. Investing in real estate, using tax-advantaged retirement accounts, and understanding how to use debt responsibly can help you build wealth and reduce your tax burden. The difference is scale. Billionaires have access to tools and advisors that most people don't. But the fundamental principles are the same. Understanding how the system works is the first step to leveling the playing field, or at least playing smarter within it. So next time you hear about a billionaire paying zero taxes, remember, it's not magic, it's strategy. The real question is whether these loopholes should exist in the first place. If you found this video eye-opening, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial breakdowns, and let me know in the comments. Should these tax loopholes be legal?